Did you know that every year, around 100 billion packs of instant noodles are consumed worldwide? That's nearly 13 packs for every person on the planet. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they got there? In reality, every pack of noodles is the result of a fascinating production process. Understanding this process not only sheds light on the journey from factory to fork, but also raises important questions about the food we consume daily. It all begins with the careful selection of high-quality wheat flour, which serves as the foundation of every batch of instant noodles. This flour is meticulously processed in large industrial mixers, where precise measurements of water and salt are added to create a uniform dough. The mixing process is crucial, as it determines the texture and elasticity of the dough. Too much water can result in a sticky paste, while too little can lead to dry and brittle noodles. Achieving the perfect balance is a testament to the expertise of the noodle artisans. Once the dough is mixed, it undergoes a period of rest to allow the gluten to relax. This step is essential for ensuring that the dough is malleable and easy to work with during subsequent stages of production. After resting, the dough is ready to be transformed into noodles. It passes through a series of precision-engineered rollers, which gradually flatten and stretch the dough to the desired thickness. As the dough is rolled thinner and thinner, the gluten strands align and develop, giving the noodles their characteristic chewy texture. The speed and pressure of the rollers are carefully controlled to achieve consistency in thickness and texture. Once the dough reaches the optimal thickness, it moves on to the cutting machines, where it is transformed into noodles of various shapes and sizes. These cutting machines are equipped with adjustable blades that can be customized to produce different styles of noodles. From thin strands of ramen to wide, flat noodles for pasta dishes, the possibilities are endless. Each cutter is calibrated to perfection, ensuring uniformity in length, width, and thickness. After cutting, the noodles undergo a series of post-processing steps to prepare them for packaging. This includes a steam cooking process to enhance flavor and texture, followed by a quick frying to remove excess moisture and ensure long-term storage stability. The rapid cooking process not only stabilizes the structure of the noodles but also enhances their flavor profile, creating a delicious base for a variety of broth and seasoning combinations. And there you have it, from humble ingredients to perfectly cooked noodles ready to be packaged and enjoyed. But the journey doesn't end here. What began as a simple block of dough has now transformed into a comforting bowl of soup in a matter of minutes. Instant noodles have become more than just a convenient meal, they're a cultural icon, saving many from hunger during tough times. From college students pulling all-nighters to busy professionals needing a quick meal, instant noodles have become a staple in households around the globe. But with convenience comes questions about nutrition and sustainability. Despite their popularity, instant noodles have faced criticism for their nutritional content and environmental impact. High sodium levels and trans fats have raised concerns about their long-term health effects, while the packaging contributes to waste and pollution. However, the industry is not turning a blind eye to these issues. Companies are actively working to reduce sodium levels and eliminate trans fats from their products. Some have even introduced lines of noodles with lower sodium content, more fiber, and gluten-free options. Moreover, innovations in packaging aim to minimize environmental impact, with designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Rigorous quality controls ensure that each package of instant noodles meets safety and taste standards. In the end, instant noodles are more than just a convenient meal option. They represent innovation, adaptability, and the ability to bring comfort in times of need. As consumers, we have the power to make informed choices and support brands that prioritize health and sustainability. So the next time you savor that comforting bowl of instant noodles, remember the journey it took to reach your plate, and perhaps consider the impact of your choices on your health and the planet.